Yeah.
It reminds me of me being in a skating rink, just going crazy. But yeah, her album's dope, man. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it a lot.
Tamar's new album's coming out.
Yeah.
Now, she released some more singles. She released a song called Blind.
And she released Pick Me Up.
And, she did, yeah. And Blind is, I listen to it at least twice a day. I have to, because it actually goes right into My Man, like on the album, it's Blind to My Man. So it fades right into it. So I think it was like a story she was trying to tell. And this is allegedly her last album she's dropping. She said she's retiring.
I'm not listening to Tamar.
But she's getting ready to go on tour.
Yes,
Monica
God.
and Escape. They're going to be here actually in November here in Charlotte.
Tickets going on sale next week.
Are we going?
Yep,
or
I'm about to buy my mama and my sister. Oh, my best friend ticket for her birthday.
I say let's roll. We should do a Code Red event.
Somebody run us some press passes. We'd really be in this building.
I'm down. Just let me know.
Well, why don't you put your phone down?
Why don't you put your phone down? Y'all seen Erykah Badu?
Her DJ?
That
shit was hilarious.
I missed, put your phone down.
That mixtape was dope, though.
It was.
Yeah, that was a dope mixtape.
I love it. Sidebar, did you see this new show that they're doing called 90s House?
Yeah.
I so want to be in it. So Christina Milian and Lance Bass is hosting this show. They picked I think 6 or 7 people.
Why is she on it?
I don't know.
Is she like a host or she's only on it?
Well, she's hosting. Well, they're moderating.
Why is she
hosting, introducing people.
Okay, explain to me what the show is.
So the show is her.
It's like Real World, but it's like
Christina Milian and
in the 90s.
Lance Bass. They got this house. Everything in this house is 90s generated.
Yeah.
So everything like beepers, VHS.
What are they playing for? What are they on there for?
I don't know what they're playing for, but I guess the whole thing is to see how people that are millenniums,
how can
survive in a house that's due to just the 90s.
Oh, nigga, I live just fine, but that probably don't cater to my.
But I think there's drama and stuff that goes along with it and all that. Like this one girl, they showed a preview and she was having a meltdown because she won't have any more social media. When in reality, there was social media. You had Black Planet then. You had MySpace in the 90s.
MySpace wasn't in the 90s.
99?
Nah, that was 2000s.
Well, okay, Black Planet.
Yeah.
It was still the 2000s.
I wasn't on there. I thought all that started in the 2000s.
Started like Black Planet. All that stuff started in the 2000s because dead ass. Because
I thought it was like 99
MySpace and shit.
Yeah, that's probably right. Because 2000s. I think
Black Planet.
Because the 90s, that was like
2001. Was launched September 1st, 2001.
What was that?
Black Planet.
So what was MySpace?
It was founded in 1999.
MySpace was?
Yeah.
I said 99.
It probably didn't launch though until like.
No, it didn't. But Black Planet didn't launch until
September of 2001.
2001.
So. Damn, what was we doing in the 90s? Just going outside. We were just going outside. Like,
Yahoo Messenger. We had the CDs for the AOL dial-up to get the free internet service.
Bro, I was outside. I wasn't doing nothing. None of that. On bikes.
Got a lot going on.
Meeting niggas at the park. That's what I was doing.
Yeah, MySpace didn't come out until what, 2000?
It was like 2000.
I had my CD player.
Yeah. Remember the pack of CDs that you had? You wrote. You used to write on them.
Right.
We used to write the track listings on top of the
when they came out with the anti-skip CD players. You remember the CD players used to always skip?
Yeah.
You would walk or jump a certain way.
I remember them Jones.
Tape cassettes.
Be flipping through your
cassette tapes.
Your CD Jones. Yeah.
So.
Damn, Tom 46.
You said what?
Tom from MySpace.
Oh, he was yeah. I forgot. Okay, so Nita, you went on DR.
Yeah.
And you took this fabulous picture that I seen before with some celebrities, but
that was not my idea.
Whose idea was it?
The picture was dope, though.
I have a couple questions about that picture, too, but go ahead, CJ.
No, I'm just saying the picture was dope. So I want to know who thought of that ideal to do that, for one.
We was on the beach.
Yo, this fucking flies piss me off.
One of my homegirls.
It's on you, cousin.
It's a fly. Slap him later. Simba. One of my friends, we was on the beach, just chilling. This was probably like our second day there. And one of my homegirls was like, yo, we should take a topless picture. We was like, okay. That's pretty much how
Well, it really wasn't topless because we didn't get to see it.
I mean, it was topless, but you wasn't going to see it.
Okay, well, listen.
We seen your backside.
Yep, that's all you needed to see.
Clearly, there was other people on the beach, right?
Yeah, but there was nobody standing in front of us.
Was there anybody in the ocean?
Yeah, it was people in the ocean, but they weren't directly in front of us.
Who took the picture?
This girl from Italy that we met. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So there was people could still see your nipples, though.
I mean, and that might very well be true, but
which led me to think. I don't know what everybody's situation is that was on the trip, but it kind of led me to think.
One person's married that I do know for a fact.
Okay, definitely. Okay, that's that. And it just let me talk.
I'm telling you, I only know what one.
Yeah. All right. So, which led me to think. I don't know everybody's situation, but just seeing that. If I was a husband and I seen that from my wife.
A husband or a boyfriend?
A husband.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Or a boyfriend. Doesn't matter. On a girl's trip, off to a seductive island. Does this? I gotta build it up. Does it make it okay for girls to do such? What's the word I'm looking for?
It better not be hoe.
Such scandalous activities.
Well, use the right word that you said, because you did say earlier, hoe.
Hoe on vacation? Yeah, that's what he said.
Does going on vacation with all your girls give you a pass to be a hoe? Not saying y'all were being hoes, but that was just my question. Does it give it a pass? Like for you to take topless pics or to talk to whatever guys on the island because you know you ain't gonna see them again, or you know what I'm saying? Just to do stuff like that you just wouldn't do when you was at the crib. Like that's all I'm saying.
As long as it doesn't get physical, then it's not cheating.
You want to answer that, Nita? Because I don't agree with that. Oh, we're not on the same page. Okay.
No.
As long as it's not physical, CJ, it's not cheating.
I don't know how you can have
so if Nita was married and we're out of the country or whatever, and I'm sitting here hitting on her and she's entertaining it, but I never hugged her, never kissed her, never went to bed with her, that's cheating?
I mean,
that's flirting.
That's flirting. But what is she exposing to you though?
She's just flirting.
Like what's flirting? Like what?
Laugh, joke.
And then cut it off at the end.
Cut it off at the end. That's the last you see me.
You think that's cheating if we didn't go to bed?
I don't need you flirting with no other nigga.
I would get pissed off about it, but it's not cheating because she didn't physically do nothing.
I don't know, CJ. That's you treading lightly.
So what you're saying is that you mentally can cheat?
Emotionally cheating? Because you can't emotionally cheat with somebody that you literally just having a conversation with.
Okay, wait, let's get back to that. Let's get back to the question.
So now I'm asking you, is it physical cheating, emotional cheating, and mental cheating?
Cheating is cheating. Like, you know you ain't supposed to be doing this with no other nigga. And you know you can't do this at the crib. So when you going on vacation with all of these girls, let's just say if you're in a situation, does it give you a pass because you're going on vacation to do stuff that you really ain't supposed to be doing?
It doesn't give you a pass to actually cheat. But when you're with your girls, the girls letting their hair down, they're having a good time. I'm
not trying to hear this.
I mean, they're with their girls. They want to have a good time. But as long as you don't physically do anything with someone, then I would be like, it's okay because you're with your girls. You want to have a good time.
But you was just with your girl Saturday night at whatever club uptown. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't know. I think it's crazy. It's not, it's a little funny, man. It's just a little shaky. Like I said, I don't know what those other girls' situation is. I'm just saying, period. Women, does it give you a pass for you to do what you want to do when you on vacation?
And that just goes to anybody. Does it give anybody a pass to when they on vacation?
Not. No, you're not supposed to do that. You ain't supposed to do that, period. So why is it okay when we on vacation?
But this is my thing with that. And I'm not married. I can't speak for no married person. It's between you, your Lord, your husband. Where you lay your head and who pay your bills. I pay my bills. I run my household. It's me. So I can't speak for somebody who's married saying that what you do on vacation is no. I can't say what you did was inappropriate because I don't know the relationship that you and your husband have, or whether or not he would feel comfortable with you in a topless picture. So why would I can't speak on that. I can only speak on my behalf. Now, if you hoeing and cheating in your relationship while you out of the country, that's on you. But again, you got to go look at that nigga face, not me.
I just don't agree. I just don't. You on an island, whatever. That don't give you a pass to do whatever. Once you see a picture of your boyfriend with his dick out or something.
Why would just something crazy? Friends, I don't understand.
Why would your titties be out when you with your girls? Like, I'm just saying, like.
Oh, here we go.
I'm just saying.
My tits
double standard my ass. I'm just saying. So what if okay. Cassie, what if you?
You want to take this mic?
What if your boyfriend was off in South Beach, Vegas.
On a week.
I'm just saying, hypothetically speaking, Cassie, if your boyfriend was on a trip, Miami, whatever, with his boys, Vegas, and you just happen to scroll across his Instagram and you see one of his homies' pictures, and it was all of them in the club or whatever, and they was kind of close on girls, or she had his arm around him, or touching his chest, or hand on his crotch area.
First of all, okay.
Or if you call his phone and you hear girls in the background, I mean, what? How would you feel?
I think that we're neglecting the fact that there were no other men.
I'm just saying. I don't know how else to kind of equivalent this to a guy. It's not like, they're not going to take a picture with their dicks out. Like, no, that's crazy.
So let me give you...
The girls are different. Here's how we're different.
Oh, gosh.
We're changing clothes in the same room.
That's a double standard. That don't mean... I don't want to see your titties out on the island.
First of all, when me and Nita go to the gym, I might hit her butt and be like, girl, your butt getting big.
It's a double standard.
Niggas not doing that.
That's what I'm saying.
In sports, they do.
There was no equivalent. I didn't know what else to say, so I just had to say that. Because there's no equivalent to a guy. When a girl takes a topless picture, guys walk around with their shirts off all the time.
Oh.
So I'm just saying.
Okay.
They do.
Okay, so let's go back to my trip. So when we was in DR, they had this little game going on at the pool or whatever. This chick, her husband was one of the judges for the girls, like, doing something, like they was drinking beer or whatever, but they was dancing. Mm-hmm. So they was playing different songs. One of the chicks was being extra. She was all on the nigga who was married, face, like, all in his face, giving him a lap dance, licking on his neck and shit. Mm-hmm. You know what the wife did? She grabbed her ass, pulled her back, and was like, bruh, chill.
The guy was married?
Yes.
Okay.
His wife was right there. They were on their honeymoon. She pulled him back. Now, this was our problem with that. I get that you're upset because she's doing the most. However, why would you think it was okay for your husband to be a judge for some shit where you knew bitches was gonna be doing the
yeah, that's different. I mean, they both together, so
but this is what I'm saying. What you do in the dark is gonna forever come out in the light. So even if the picture, you might not even be talking about a picture, but even if that picture turned out and somebody's husband was like, I don't appreciate you taking this picture, that was disrespectful to my relationship, that's something that you need to address with your husband, because why would she feel like she was
there? If she wasn't there, he'd have did the same shit. That's what I'm saying, because she was there. No?
Nah, B.
If she wasn't there, he'd have been licking and whatever.
I mean, he was leaning back already. Anyway, technically, before, when the shit happened, the wife wasn't nowhere. She just happened to turn around and saw that shit was going on, because she was hopping from lap to lap.
I just think relationships get real tricky when you on trips like these, and the time presents itself for you to do something outside of the box that you're not normal to doing, and it's kind of like peer pressure a little bit. Let's just say if you were playing that game, take the guy out of it, and let's just say one of your friends was married, and it was her turn to do something risque to a guy.
First of all, why are you playing it?
I'm just saying, y'all on vacation. Y'all on vacation.
Don't matter.
CJ, this happens all the time, yo.
I get what you saying.
And y'all on vacation, and it was her time to do something risque. Like, oh, girl, go ahead and kiss him, or go ahead and do something. She's gonna she's gonna do it.
If you're at a pool party in the city that you live in, and they're playing a game, does that give you a pass to do it?
You're agreeing with me.
Because you're not on vacation,
right?
Because you're not on vacation.
You're agreeing with me.
No, what I'm saying to you is that if you're married, you shouldn't playing those games, whether you're at a pool party in your local city or on vacation.
So don't take your shirt off.
But this is another thing. Like, I'm not that friend that's gonna be like, cheat on your husband, my nigga, because I might fuck around and get some karma behind that shit. Like, no, bitch, you don't get your ass whooped.
No, that's not like Charlotte. That's not like, oh, you're not gonna say, yeah, don't cheat on your husband. But I'm just saying, like, what if y'all was playing one of those? I don't know the games, but I'm just saying, like,
would you do it?
If I was in a relationship or if I was married?
Coming from you, I think you would.
No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't go.
As you smiled.
I'm a faithful man. I wouldn't do that.
Faithful to who?
When I'm in a relationship, I'm faithful.
To
my girl. What you mean?
Thought you meant to yourself, but okay.
I don't believe it.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying. It's just a little, that line is a little tricky. I don't know.
So since my picture was whorish.
I didn't say it was hard.
I think it was tasteful, honey.
It ain't like my titties was in the picture.
It was out, though. You know niggas. Nita, if you had a dude and he seen that picture, you don't think he wouldn't get mad? He would get mad, right?
All you can see was the back.
I'm just saying. If you had a dude and he seen that picture.
The nigga that I deal with now saw the picture and he ain't say shit.
Deal with, not together.
That's irrelevant.
You're dealing with someone right now?
Yeah.
Where did this come from?
Wait, CJ.
No. Where did this come from?
Nowhere far. We'll talk later.
Yeah, I'm not.
Is that the one that's at the party?
No. And they got a whole live girlfriend. Can't do nothing for him.
Damn, son, that's fucking fly.